Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the joystick on the Nintendo Switch right Joy-Con. Before starting, we need the right tools to facilitate the repair, which are listed in the description. First, undo 4 screws securing the cover. Next, gently use your fingernail or a pry tool to lift and remove the cover. While separating, make sure to open gently to avoid accidental damage to cables. Next, disconnect the battery plug using a tweezer. Next, take out the not working joystick from the unit. First, pull out the battery compartment holder. Next, disconnect the antenna head and pull out the unit. Next, undo 3 screws securing the holder. Next, gently pull out the battery compartment holder to disconnect the ZR button flex. Lift the lever and gently slide out the cable to free the battery compartment holder. Next, lift the lever and slide out the joystick ribbon cable from the board. Next, undo 2 screws to pull out the not working right side joystick from the body. Next, place the new joystick and then secure it by adding 2 screws. Next, secure the ribbon connector and then fasten the lever. Next, secure the ZR button ribbon flex and then secure the lever. Next, gently place the battery compartment holder and secure it by adding 3 screws. Next, secure the Bluetooth antenna head and place it in the frame. Next, secure the battery plug. Use a tweezer to make the process easier. Next, snap the cover and secure 4 screws. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.